Alright, guys, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं अभी, बहुत ज़्यादा, like can't contain this. अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो बिफोर आई ब्रिंग माई गेस्ट आज का, आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू कि कौन से गेस्ट के साथ मैं अभी लाइव आने वाली हूँ. कोई गेस्ट कर सकता है कि मैं किसके साथ लाइव आने वाली हूँ? टेल मी. गेस 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 किसके साथ लाइव आने वाली हूँ मैं? गेस. एनी गेसेस? सही जवाब जन्नत जुबैर 292. वी आर गोइंग लाइव विथ जन्नत जुबैर. Oh my god, very excited about this, by the way. Okay, just gonna pin this comment ताकि आपको मालूम पड़े कि मैं किसके साथ लाइव जा रही हूँ. Okay, alright, let me see अगर वो आ गए. Okay, hold on. Waiting. Still waiting for her. But oh my god, so excited, है ना? What's up, Huzefa? I see you. आई होप कि सबका लॉकडाउन अच्छा चल रहा है. अभी काफी ज्यादा एक्सटेंड हो गया है, बट द गुड न्यूज इज दैट यू गेट टू सी मी गोइंग लाइव. ओह माय गॉड. अरे राधिका, आई एम नॉट खुशी, आई एम खुशी सिस्टर करिश्मा, बाय द वे. वेटिंग इवन आई एम वेटिंग यार. गाइज मैं क्या बताऊं. हाँ, शी इज हियर. ये ओके, एक्साइटेड. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Good.
Lockdown में
It's
क्या
been very long.
बोर हो रही हूँ. हाँ.
बहुत ज्यादा. कैसा चल रहा है लॉकडाउन?
लॉकडाउन अच्छा चल रहा है. बस अब तो हैबिट में आ गया है. अब तो पता है रोज उठ के क्या करना है. और ये ऐसे ही चलेगा अभी फिलहाल कुछ टाइम के लिए. तो हाँ.
I know. Getting
ठीक
to
है.
it.
अभी we just coping up with it. So now
अच्छा, now it's fine. Okay. What do you
okay.
think the most about going out? Like सबसे ज्यादा क्या मिस कर रहे हो?
बाहर जाना, I think everything related to it. I was just talking to my dad a few days ago and I was like, मैं भूल गई हूँ बाहर की दुनिया कैसी होती है. So now there is no particular thing that I miss about going out. I think I miss the whole fact कि बाहर जाते हैं freely और everything. There is no one thing. I mean, there are so many things. I recently started driving. तो लॉकडाउन के पहले जहाँ पर भी जाना था मैं ड्राइव करके लेके जा रही थी. तो आई वाज लाइक वे टू हैप्पी अबाउट इट. इट वाज लाइक अ ड्रीम. कई बार मेरे सपनों में मैं गाड़ी चलाती थी. सो आई थिंक मे बी ड्राइविंग सबसे ज्यादा मैं मिस कर रही हूँ. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग.
You're one of the few people जिसको ड्राइविंग पसंद है, by the way, बॉम्बे में.
That is because I recently started driving and I'm very sure that कुछ टाइम बीतने के बाद मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. क्योंकि मैं अभी भी कई बार इरिटेट हो जाती थी. People coming in between and stuff like that. So that is only because I recently started driving.
That's good, but excitement is there. Starting का excitement.
Yes.
Acha, tell me now. Let's get to the point. Okay, I really want to ask you about your new song. Okay, फिर हंसेंगे. It is, by the way, I want to say it is a fab song, and I could really relate to it. It's so well.
Yeah, I know. Actually, motive यही था कि आजकल की सिचुएशन के हिसाब से anything that we could relate to people and connect with people. We had other songs made for our channel. Other songs I shot for a song, so we have like 4-5 songs already made. And this was very new, but we wanted to start our channel from this song. Taking this initiative, getting some relatable things. So इस वजह से we put this song up and people are really liking it and appreciating it. So we are glad and very very thankful. I was very
Yeah.
unsure because it's a new channel and our
Yeah.
Gana bhi, it's not a commercial song. It's nothing like we've shot and you know we couldn't put in जितने बाहर जाके हम शूट करके एफर्ट्स डालते हैं सबने अपना अपना पार्ट करके भेजा है. Everybody is being very supportive. There are people I
Yeah.
haven't met before in my life, you know, the actresses and actors. That was the next
They,
question.
yeah, like how tough was it to like to actually coordinate with so many people, so many, and all busy, you know, like the big guys. So how
Yeah.
tough was it? That
So I was lucky in the point because I didn't have to, you know, coordinate with any of them. Daddy was there, and we have an amazing team. The team was being fab. Paras, Vibhas, Shabina ji has played a great role in this, you know, in collaborating with people. So I was not there in that part. So I was absolutely secure. But I know that, you know, किसी से मिले नहीं हो and knowing that you know they're starting a channel उसके लिए they've sent me their videos, so I'm very very thankful. It's great to you know such people. They're very humble,
yeah,
and that is the reason the song is also trending on YouTube since the morning.
yeah, number 11. The last I checked, it was number 11 trending.
Yeah, in the morning that I checked was number 6, and I was very happy. And in the excitement, I forgot to take a
Wow.
screenshot also. Then I took a screenshot and it was trending on 8. So that was really dumb of me. But I couldn't control. I was like, oh, it's a new channel and it's trending. And daddy's like, where's the screenshot? I said, oh, I forgot. And then I took a screenshot
Oh,
on trending it. So anyway.
it's fine. You know it happened, so it's okay. Acha, tell me how it was to work with Vibha, with Dinesh, Paras. How was it working with them?
It was great working with them. Dinesh ji has already directed our song जो मैंने किया था अपने चैनल के लिए. वो सॉन्ग उन्होंने ही डायरेक्ट किया था. वी शॉट दैट सॉन्ग इन पानीपत. And Paras, Vibhas, they are family. We know them since I guess it's been more than a year now, and their family. Vibhas is a very good singer. He has a great voice. और मेरा जो मैशअप था जब मैं आपसे मिली थी माय फर्स्ट कॉन्सर्ट मैशअप उसमें भी उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प किया था. So you know these
Wow.
guys are like family and very very hard working, and I see that, and I feel we make a very good team.
I agree. I could not agree more, honestly. What a fab music. Like you really pulled it off.
Thank you.
Okay, another thing that I really loved and I genuinely, it really touched my heart was that you and your dad and your brother were in the same frame. So it was really nice to
Right.
see that. And I love that scene where, you know, he kind of puts you on his shoulder, you know, it's really sweet. So how did it feel to share the screen with both of them? Like it was Ghar Ki Baat types.
So what happens is when you're shooting something professional and when you're doing something related to work, we do forget that we are, you know, ghar ki baat, because my dad makes sure that, you know, professional life and personal life is, you know, they kept
Yeah,
apart. So that is what we
good.
believe in, and that is what happened when we were shooting. We were all very professional actors for those few minutes. And yeah, we could shoot. Mama was the DOP, Mama was shooting, and in the
How?
first take and in the second take I bursted into laughter because Daddy was lip syncing and I looked at him and then I looked at Ayan and I saw he was already controlling. So then I bursted into laughter. So my dad was
Oh
like,
my
"What's wrong?" I was like, "Nothing. I'm sorry. Let's do it again." But it was fun.
Yeah, I'm sure you must have felt so good. Like this is
Yeah,
something that
because that is actually very relatable. The line says that आंखें नम ना करो, कोई गम ना करो, ये बुरा वक्त ये टल जाएगा. बट एक्चुअली में भी यही होता है. एवरी डे देयर इज अ टाइम जब मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो जाती हूँ, जब मैं बहुत लो फील करने लगती हूँ, एंड दैट इज व्हेन माय डैडी एक्चुअली सेज इट, यू नो, नॉट इन दोज वर्ड्स बट एक्चुअली वो उसी तरह एक्सप्लेन करते हैं ना, इट्स अ फेज, यू नो, ये पास हो
yeah.
जाएगा, गैप भी नहीं रहेगा. सो दैट इज हाउ इट हैपेंस. असली में भी ऐसे ही होता है. So we could actually
That's
relate to that shot that हम तो ये almost हर दूसरे दिन करते हैं डेली के साथ.
it was like a regular day for you.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Okay, so this song is basically about positivity and how to basically cope in these very challenging times. So, how do you keep yourself positive on a daily basis?
I try to keep myself positive, thinking about all the positive things happening around me, and you know, uh, just thinking about the fact that we are in this situation and we have to face it. We
Yeah,
can't deny the fact that okay, मेरे low feel करने से या just because I feel very emotional and heartbroken sometimes because of this, nothing is gonna change. We need to cope up with this, and this is how we're supposed to live for a piece for a period of time. The
yeah,
acceptance. I think that is very important. It took me some time to accept the fact that okay, ये accept करो, कुछ टाइम ऐसा रहना पड़ेगा. For some time you need to work from home. You need to digest this thing. So that is
true.
how we're living. Yeah, that is the only thing. Acceptance के accept कर लिया है कि कुछ time के लिए ऐसा है, and that is how everything is going now.
That's actually great advice because a lot of us now, where it's getting hard to accept that अच्छा थोड़े time होने वाला है, and we in the back of our minds we're thinking अच्छा नहीं थोड़ा time है फिर वापस बाहर जा सकते हैं, but you also know that that's not actually happening.
That
काफी
is what I was also thinking. I was also thinking कि अच्छा ईद तक ठीक हो जाए. उससे पहले तो काफी टाइम पहले तक कि अच्छा अभी ठीक हो जाएगा यार, अभी ठीक हो जाएगा, अभी ठीक हो जाएगा. बट फिर थोड़ा समझ आया कि
है time
अभी
है.
नहीं थोड़ा टाइम है.
Yeah, that's true. That's very good advice. Okay, tell me something. Who supports you when you are feeling the most low, like the lowest part of your life, and there's someone who comforts you the most? Who is that person?
Oh, I think I almost gave this answer in the previous question, saying that there is a particular time in a day where I feel very cranky and very grumpy. वो बच्चे कैसे
Yeah,
होते हैं कुछ टाइम पे कुछ भी, there is nothing wrong in anything, but still you feel
yeah.
like why is this happening? I'm getting very irritated. What is happening? So I think my parents, my dad and my mom, they understand, and now they know कि दिन में ऐसा होता है उसके साथ, और उसको समझाना पड़ता है कि this
Like
is the
phase
time,
है.
it's okay, do this, do that, engage yourself in doing something, keep yourself busy so that you can divert your mind from these things, and be positive, think this, everything. So that is something that I get to hear almost every day.
Yeah.
So I think both my parents, both of them.
Yeah, that's awesome because I really feel like I've met your dad a bunch of times and he is the sweetest guy ever. He's so nice
Really.
and I love, yeah, I love that he's very supportive of everything and you come as a priority in his life. See that, which is awesome. Like, you can actually see the love between you guys. That's really
Thank you.
okay. What can we expect from your new channel first? And
So when we thought about launching something like this, launching a new channel for music, uh,
yeah,
we knew that there are so many music channels, so many music labels already there, hit ones, and producing some great songs. We had a lot of things in mind to make it different from other things,
yeah,
other labels, other platforms. So we do have a lot of beautiful songs, and there is one surprise for everybody that we're not actually
revealing.
sharing it now. Yeah, we're not revealing it, but there is something which has never happened before. Uh, with me, I'd say it's gonna be a surprise from my side, or I'd say from AZJZ. Let's just talk about AZJZ. So yeah, so there is one thing which is very different from others, something that I haven't done before in my life, something you guys have never seen me doing. So that is the one
Yeah,
thing we will be starting from my channel, from AZJZ.
that's
Yeah, that is one surprise. Yeah, that
but
is
when?
one surprise element. So see, we were planning to do it. अगर वो लॉकडाउन नहीं होता या जो अभी सिचुएशन है वो नहीं होती, तो ये 2 महीने पहले ही आ चुका होता. आपको
Wow.
सरप्राइज बोलना नहीं पड़ता मुझे. बट सिंस एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग अभी इतना ज्यादा, तो काफी सारी चीजें स्लो डाउन हो गई हैं, काफी सारे प्लान पोस्टपोन हो गए हैं. अभी रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम कि चलो अब तो ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, लेट्स गो.
Wow.
तो उसके लिए आई, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल एंड दैट इज समथिंग वेरी यूनिक. सो वी जस्ट डोंट वांट टू हरी हरी में नहीं
ऐसे
करना है कि ऐसे ही नहीं
yeah.
करना है कि चलो कर देते हैं. वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से करना है. डेरी इज वेरी उन्होंने बहुत दिमाग लगाया उसके पीछे, तो वो उन्हें ऐसे नहीं करना है, उन्हें वो बहुत अच्छे से करना है, तो वी विल वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम। अगर वो
That's
नेक्स्ट ईयर भी है, सो वी कैन वेट टिल नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो, बट विल डू इट अच्छे से। So,
fair enough. That's great. Acha, why the name AZJZ?
AZJZ, it's because AZ is Ayan Zubair, and I am Jay-Z and Jannat Zubair, so that is how
Love
AZJZ.
it. Love it. Superb. And what is the first? Who is that?
Ayan's guest appearance. Yeah.
Wow. Hi, Ayan. What's up?
Gaya gaya.
What's the first thing you do once the lockdown is over?
Oh, what is the first thing I do when the lockdown is over? Wow, that is something I haven't really thought about, and I should when I'm so irritated at home. I don't know why I never thought about this. One thing that I'm gonna do, I think I will go to Haji Ali.
Very.
I will literally go to Haji Ali because of so many reasons.
Yeah, I
बहुत
totally
सारे
understand.
reasons हैं. So I think the first place I would like to go to will be Haji Ali. Thank God for
Yeah.
everything. Because now I see, when I watch the news, I see so many people suffering so much. And
Yeah.
we're still in such a good place, in such an healthy environment and everything. So I'd like to go. I'd like to thank God for everything. So maybe Haji Ali.
That's amazing. That's a good answer. Okay. Quick rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Do you like to sing or do you like to dance?
I really can't choose. Like, I really can't choose. Even if I want to, I can't. Both, actually. I love both.
Yeah, because you are good in both. That's why.
Yeah, I enjoy both. So, yeah, I can't choose.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Your all-time favorite co-star?
My all-time favorite co-star would be Ashka Gurari. Stop it, and you were never my co-star. Be Ashka Gurari. I did a show with her, Maharana Pratap, and since 2014, I've been calling her Ashu Ma. So she's like a mother figure to me. So
How
yeah,
nice. Yeah, she's super talented.
yeah, and very beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. What's the last normal event that you attended? As in, like you went out, there was a crowded place and it was all normal. What was the last one?
Oh, event. Uh, so I went for this awards night on Women's Day actually, 2 months
Wow.
pehle. So that was it was an awards night, but still there was crowd and people were hooting and stuff like that. So that was kind of an event. So that is
Yeah.
what I remember on
Wow.
Mother's Day.
Okay. What do you prefer, WhatsApp or phone calls?
I'm very bad on speaking on phone, like really bad. I will say WhatsApp. So that even if I don't want to talk to, or if I don't want to reply, so I can keep the person on hold for like hours.
I agree. Okay. Now I'm gonna name the co-stars that you worked with on this music video. Okay. And you
Okay.
have to one word, like how you describe them in one word. Like what is the one word you would describe them in? Okay. Okay. Daisy Shah.
She's a very good dancer.
Agreed. Zareen Khan.
Damn beautiful.
Parnu Tanbel.
मैंने उनका काम नहीं देखा है अब तक के, but I'd say she has a very sweet and a very innocent face.
Yeah. Really, like, मतलब you can tell कि उसके
She has a
family में
very
बहुत
cute face. She has like that baby face.
yeah
किसी को भी
yeah
बहुत
yeah.
प्यारा लगेगा.
Okay, Ayan Zubair.
Easy. Easy.
AZ. Mr. Faizu.
Very humble.
Siddharth Nigam.
Siddharth Nigam. I was planning on saying something, but
You
let's
can
say
say
very hardworking. Very
that.
hard.
Okay, Rohitash Gaur.
Tiwari ji. That is the one thing I can remember when you say his name. Tiwari ji.
Okay, okay. Gurmeet Chaudhary,
Mm, very good actor.
Preeti Jangiani,
Pretty.
Preeti is pretty,
Pretty is very
right?
pretty. Yeah.
Okay, Upasana Singh,
So one thing that I get to Bua. But I remember her in the movie where she has that famous dialogue. She says "Abba Dabba Chabba," but those are 3 words. But I'd like to say that "Abba Dabba Chabba."
love it, love it. Okay, Kanha Mehta
Oh, he's my little brother.
and Aarti Chhabria.
Aarti Chhabria. She has a beautiful skin. I don't know if that is apt to say, but that is what I really felt when I saw the video. I was like, wow, flawless skin.
Who can say that you have the most flawless skin I have met in person? And first thing I said to myself, oh my god, I love her skin.
Really, I got this
Yeah,
pimple 4
please,
days
yeah.
ago, and this pimple, I don't know why it's not leaving my side. Kab se I've been trying to hide it and doing stuff. It was so painful, and I
Oh,
don't get pimples usually. I just don't. I don't know why this one appeared. I
oh
have no
god,
clue.
it's the whole lockdown stress, I think. You
I
never
have
know.
no idea. Maybe because I was having mangoes. Maybe I don't
Possible.
know. Possible, right?
Yeah. Okay, what do you like about Miss Malini trend?
Oh, you? Miss Malini Trending, I actually really like it. I love your people dedication. You guys put in a lot of efforts, and you guys, gain so much of news. I really know how difficult it is to actually handle a social media page. एक अकेले का करने में मुझे इतना प्रॉब्लम होता है, एंड यू गाइस इसका भी लेना है, उसका भी लेना है. You guys handle so many people, so I think it's a very difficult and a very confusing job,
Yep.
and I think you guys are doing really great. So I
Yeah.
think the entire thing is amazing.
Yay! Thank you so much. Okay, and lastly, a message for everyone who's watching.
A message for everybody who's watching. I'd like to thank everyone for being so supportive always, no matter what I do, no matter what my team is doing. They're always there to support me, and I love each one of them. And I just like to say that stay home, stay safe. Don't get irritated, don't get frustrated, guys. We'll overcome this, and everything will be back to normal. So
Yeah,
yeah, just positive wishes and all the good wishes from my side.
that's an amazing message. Thank you so much, Jannat, and good luck to you on one of the most trending songs, Phir Hasenge. Awesome, awesome
Thank
song.
you.
I'm gonna put up a swipe up after this video, after this live, so people can swipe up and watch it. And also, good luck on your channel, man. Amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely talking to you.
Lovely
Hope to
talking
see
to
you
you.
soon.
100% after lockdown, I'll make a plan.
Yeah, we should. Take care.
Take care.